welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, our topic is about how to make bootable USB drive on Windows and Mac OS. A bootable USB is super convenient to have on hand if you need to install or repair an operating system on your computer. Some operating systems can be booted from USB drive. You can easily make your own bootable USB that's equipped with the operating system of your choosing. Things you should know. A bootable USB drive is useful if you want to install a new operating system or repair an existing operating system. Windows has its own recovery drive tool you can use to create a bootable Windows USB. You can use Rufus on Windows or Balena Etcher on Mac to create a bootable USB drive. Using Windows, 1. Download or create an image file. If you have an image file such as a ISO, IMG, USB, or VHD file that you want to turn into a bootable USB drive, if not, you can create a DES image file from an existing CD, DVD, Blu-ray, or from existing files and folders. Number 2. Download Rufus. Rufus is a free, lightweight tool that comes widely recommended by developers and product specialists across the internet. To download Rufus, go to this link, then in a web browser, scroll down the page and click the first link under the download header. It be the latest version of the tool, version 3.21 as of November 2022. If the download doesn't start automatically, right-click the link and click Save Link as. Select a location you want to save the file to, click Save. If you see an ad when you click the link, simply click Close to close and add it start the file download. So number 3, double-click the downloaded file. It's the file called Rufus 3.21exe. The version number may vary. By default, downloaded files can be found in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file in your Downloads folder or even your web browser to run Rufus. If prompted, click Yes to allow Rufus to make change to your system. Number 4, insert your USB flash drive. Make sure to use a drive that's large enough to accommodate the size of your image file. Warning: creating a bootable DES will overwrite and erase any data that is already on the USB drive. If there are any files on the USB drive that you don't want to lose, be sure to back them up before you start. You will also not be able to use the USB drive to restore files or data after it is made into a bootable DES. Number 5. Select your USB drive from the Device menu. It's at the top of the Rufus window. Number 6. Select ISO image. Use the drop-down menu next to the file name bar to select ISO image. ISO image files include ISO, IMG, VHD, USB, and more. Then 7. Select your image file. To do so, click the image file you want to select, and then click Open in the lower right corner. This updates the volume level field match what's in the ISO. If you want to give the drive another name, you can replace that next with anything you wish. The remaining settings should be fine in their default state, but feel free to change any parameters if you need to. 8. The last, click Start to create the drive. Rufus will now copy the image file to the drive, which will make the drive bootable upon completion. This may take several minutes. When the drive is ready, click Close at the bottom right to exit Rufus. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.